Okay, so in this video we're going to be looking at pronouns. Now, pronouns are words that are used instead of a noun, so they replace nouns. Now, just to remember, a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, occasion, or thing, okay? So if I have a sentence and the name of a person, place, animal, occasion, or thing is in it, and I don't want to use that name, I can replace it with a pronoun. I can use that instead, okay? I'll give you an example. So, we'll look at the personal pronouns first. There's two types. There's personal and possessive that we're going to look at. Personal is to do with the person or thing itself. Possessive shows ownership or something belonging to somebody, okay? So we're looking at personal first. Say I have, I'm just going to move this here just to show. Write out a sentence. So Sarah threw the ball over the fence. Okay? Now what I want to do is I want to replace certain nouns in this sentence with pronouns. So let's see. What nouns do I have that I could replace with personal pronouns? So these are the list of personal pronouns. Me, you, us, we, it, she, he, him, her, they, them. Right? So let's see what I have. What nouns do I actually have in the sentence? I have Sarah, which is the name of a person, proper noun. Through the ball. Ball is a thing, it's a noun. Over the fence is another noun, it's another thing, it's not a fence, okay? So if I wanted to replace those words with personal pronouns, what ones would I use? Well, let's see. Sarah. What personal pronoun would I use for Sarah? Me, you, us, we, it, she. Sarah is a girl, so she. She threw the ball. What could I refer to the ball as? Do I know whether the ball is masculine or feminine? Do I know if it's a boy or girl gender-wise? I don't. It's neutral. So I have to go with it. She threw it over the fence. What do I say for the fence? Do I know? Does it have a gender? It doesn't. It's neutral. So again, it would be it. So if I was to write that out, I will be writing, she threw it over it. Now, I'm not providing myself with enough information there. She threw what over what, okay? So I'm going to leave the fence for the moment, right? She threw it over the fence. Now, if I was to replace the fence, I would write it in. She threw it over it. But it doesn't make sense to put down two its in one sentence because I don't know what I'm referring to, okay? Which is which. She threw it over the fence. So now I know it's something that went over the fence. I have to have at least one piece of information, okay? I'll do another sentence. Sophie couldn't find Sophie's purse anywhere. All right, so where are the nouns in this? Sophie is a proper noun, name of a person. Couldn't find Sophie's purse. Right, purse is a noun, it's a thing. Now, the fact that it says Sophie's purse, what information can I get from this sentence? Well, I see there's an apostrophe here. The apostrophe shows possession, okay? And I also know that it's purse belonging to Sophie. So, in this case, the pronoun I would use in this section would be a possessive one, okay? The possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, ours, yours, theirs. So, let's see. Sophie. What could I change Sophie to? It's a name, she's feminine, so she. She couldn't find. She's talking about her own purse. So Sophie couldn't find Sophie's purse. Sophie couldn't find hers or her purse. The reason I wouldn't say hers purse is because I'm using the word purse afterwards, so I don't need the S at the end of her, okay? Her purse. So she couldn't find her purse anywhere. Okay? And that is how you change a sentence into one which has pronouns in it. Pronouns are used instead of a noun, so it could be someone's name, it could be a thing like a purse, it could be an animal, it could be an occasion, that kind of thing. Personal are the ones that you use when you're talking about the thing itself or the person. So Sophie, the dog. If I had a sentence that said the dog was very loud, or the dog, barked very loud, I mightn't know what gender the dog is, so I would say it barked very loud, okay? You use that to describe for most pronouns, most of the time you're going to be using one of these, unless it is showing possession. Possessive or possession means belonging to, owning, okay? So for example, Sean's car, Shauna's watch, Michael's bag, right? I would change that to his car, her watch, his bag. If I was talking to all of you guys in the class together, I would say take out your books. Okay, all of your books, take out your books. Or if I was talking about the books, I might say those books are yours. You have the S at the end if it isn't followed directly by a noun, okay? So if I say your books, there's no S on your. But if I say, if I've already referred to the item at the beginning of the sentence, for example, the top is yours, okay? That skirt is hers. That is her skirt. Right? So that's the difference between personal and possessive pronouns.